On March 25, 1911, a devastating fire engulfed the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory in New York City, claiming the lives of 146 workers, mostly young immigrant women. This tragic event unfolded on the top 3 floors of the Ash building, where employees toiled in cramped, unsafe conditions. The fire broke out around closing time, fueled by flammable materials, and spread rapidly. Terrified workers rushed to the exits, only to find many doors locked, a common practice to prevent theft. As smoke and flames filled the air, the situation turned dire. Some workers jumped from windows, while others were trapped inside. The horrific sight of bodies falling to the ground shocked onlookers, while firefighters struggled with inadequate equipment. The aftermath of this disaster sparked outrage and ignited a movement for labor reform. Public awareness grew about the appalling working conditions in factories, leading to widespread calls for change. The fire prompted the establishment of new safety regulations and labor laws, ultimately improving workplace conditions. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire remains a stark reminder of the importance of worker rights and safety standards, shaping labor rights movements for generations to come. Follow us for more fascinating historical insights.